recording now. You want to say hi?
Hi. I don't put all this freaking foundation and powder on and the camera just gonna die.
305, nigga. You know what it is.
What's up, guys? It's Jayypinkk and I'm back with another video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button before we get started and let's just dive straight into it. Alright, so I'm starting out by carving the under portion of my brows, and you really just want to take your time. So I'm also going to go ahead and just bring that concealer over my entire eyelid space. And then I'm going to blend it out using a relatively fluffy, I guess, concealer brush. I'm actually not sure what this brush is for, but you just want to pat the concealer out to make it seamless. Now I'm starting with my brow bone highlight. And I'm taking Artist Couture and Jackie Aina's collaboration in La Peach. And I'm just going to pack this on. I pack as much of this on as possible. I absolutely love this highlighter. Now I'm taking a tapered blending brush. And I'm basically packing the color and the shape of where I want the color to be and where I want it at. So essentially, I want this color to be on the outer portion of my eyeball, so I'm patting the shadow in a rounded shape, almost like a hook around the out portion of my eyebrow and carrying it into the crease. And right now I'm only packing the color in. I'm not blending, I'm just packing the color on, and this is going to give you as much pigment as possible. Alright, so now I'm going to take another small kind of tapered blending brush, and I'm really just going to focus on blending out the outer portions of all the pigment that we just placed on. So now I'm going back in and I'm adding some more of that pigment. And this is just really to intensify the color. When you're blending on concealer, you want to move rather slow. And once you've gone ahead and you've packed your second round of pigment on, you're going to go back and you're going to still focus on the edges and just blend it out and make everything very seamless. So now I'm just adding the smallest bit of black, and I'm starting from the lash line and almost using circular motions up into that same crescent shape that we made with the green, and you just want to add just a little bit. Then I'm going to go back in with the same tapered blending brush I used to place the green down with, and with no extra product I'm just going to kind of blend it in. Now with a wet flat eyeshadow brush, I am taking this pigment and I'm basically just brushing it on and helping it and allowing it to help me create a cut crease. So this is a good way to do a faux cut crease if you don't really want to do all the concealer. Using a really pigmented shimmer shadow with some water will definitely still get you that cut crease shape, as you'll see here. So now I'm going to take this beautiful like teal blue, I guess not, like baby blue. I'm going to take this baby blue eyeshadow and I'm just going to put this in the inner corner of my eye. And now I'm just going to finish off by uncurling my eyelashes and applying eyeliner. I also do lashes and the rest of my face off camera because that's not what this video is about. So now on the bottom lash line, I'm taking a black eyeliner and I'm really going to work this into my waterline. And then I'm going to go in with that same green color we placed in our crease. And I'm just really going to smudge this along my waterline or my lower lash line from basically from outer corner all the way to inner corner. And then with another kind of like round tapered brush, I'm going to just blend the edges of that green on our lower lash line out. Just apply some mascara. If you guys enjoyed this type of video and enjoyed me explaining it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, leave all your comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.